Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Kdenlive on Windows. So it's super exciting that they're making it available on Windows now. It's still in beta, so it might have some bugs, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So the download link is in the description of this video. You can also just search Kdenlive. It's Kdenlive, and then we'll just click on this link here. This is kdenlive.org, and then we'll click download. So Kdenlive has been my go-to video editor for the past 10 years. I've used it on Linux, and it's amazing. So I'm excited to see how it performs on Windows. We'll scroll down here, and we see here the beta Windows version can be downloaded from the KDE server. So left click here, and it just brings up this box. We'll click Save. Depending on how you're downloading this, I'm doing it on Firefox on Windows 10. If you're doing it on Chrome, your downloads might appear here on the bottom. But I'm just downloading this, and so I will pause the video and come back when it's done downloading. Okay, so that's completed downloading for me. I can click here to go show files, or I can just open up the file explorer and go to my downloads folder, and that's where it got downloaded for me. So it's this Kdenlive. I'm going to right click on it and go to, I'm using 7-zip, but you could just go to extract, and I'm going to go to extract here. So it'll take just a second. Okay, so that's done extracting now, and we can open this folder. So it's Kdenlive. And what it's actually done, so I've got a folder within a folder. This is not something, at least at this point in the development, it's not being installed on Windows. It's just running from directly out of this folder. So these are all the files it needs to run. So it's called like a portable application sometimes. So we're not going to install it. We just click on this application that says Kdenlive application. It has a little icon. And everything else is just like, computer files that we don't need to do anything with. But then here we have it. So we've got Kdenlive. We can drag some different, I've got some videos in here, I think. I can drag some different video footage in here, drag it down to the timeline. We can drag in some audio files, and we can kind of play and see, scrub along this video and see what it looks like. But that is how you install Kdenlive on Windows. Just to start your video editing. Check out some of my other tutorials where I'll be teaching you how to use Kdenlive, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.